Hi friends, welcome to our Winter Wonderland. Today we're going to learn some new sight words while celebrating the magic of winter. In the wintertime, there are so many fun things to do, like playing in the snow, building a snowman, and drinking warm cocoa. Are you ready to explore some winter words with me? Let's go! Our first adventure is a snowflake search. Look, magical snowflakes are flowing from the sky, and each one has a sight word. Let's catch one. Here's the word big. Can you say big with me?
Big.
Great job. Let's find another one. Here's the word little. Let's say it together.
Little.
Awesome! Keep looking for more snowflakes. This one here's the word on. Can you say on?
On.
Great. Let's see where other snowflakes we can find. Look, I see the word as. Can you say as with me?
As?
Amazing! Let's keep looking for more snowflakes. Here's the word we. Let's say it together.
We.
Great job! There's the word play. Let's say it together.
Play.
Awesome job! This time for a sight word Snowball Fight. I've got snowballs with words written on them. And if you don't want to get hit, you need to say the sight word you see on the snowball. Are you ready? Let's go!
This snowball has the word play.
That's right. Great job. Let's find another snowball.
The snowball says big.
Let's find another snowball. Are you ready? Catch.
It says little. It says on. This snowball says as.
That's right. Great job. Let's find another snowball.
We.
That's right. Great job. Now let's use all of our snowballs to build a sight word snowman. Here's the biggest part. What word is on it?
Big.
Let's stack it right here. Now let's find the middle. What's the word on this piece?
On.
Great job. Let's put the snowball on the big one. And finally, let's add the head. What does it say?
Little.
Great job building our sight word snowman. There was to add some decoration. This hat says on. Say it with me.
On.
Now let's put a hat on a snowman. And here's a scarf with the word little. Let's put it on a snowman. Look at our amazing snowman. Our Winter Wonderland wouldn't be complete without a sleigh ride. Come on, let's get in.
Snowflakes chilling in the frosty dawn. We building snowmen, keeping warm, gloves on. Smiley faces, laughter goes on and on. Learning words, big, little, long, as we play out in the snow. On the hill we glide, down we go. Trap the warmth with mittens, feel the chill and wind blow. Learn your sight words, practice, watch how many you will know. Frosty's twig arms, wobbly warm, scarf around his neck. Little button eyes, black as coal as he stares. Kids run in circles on the snowy beds. Learning sight words in Winter Wonderland, joy it spreads. Learning words, big, little, long, as we play out in the snow. On the hill we glide, down we go. Trap the warmth with mittens, feel the chill and wind blow. Learn your sight words, practice, watch how many you will know. Snow forts in the making, let's dig a hole. Out we climb, big grin sight word goals. Little snow pass tracked words in the snow. Winter Wonderland making snow word angels, here we go. Learning words, big, little, long, as we play out in the snow. On the hill we glide, down we go. Trap the warmth with mittens, feel the chill and wind blow. Learn your sight words, practice, watch how many you will know.
Wow, what a wonderful day in our Winter Wonderland. We learned words like big, little, play, as, we, and on. And we had so much fun building a snowman and enjoying the winter weather. Until next time, keep reading, keep learning, and keep shining.